Yes, good morning children. 12th Commerce. Question 13. Chapter 2 Final Account. Question 13 is very important children. Why? That I will tell you. In question 13, we have to draw trading account because only one sales book is undercasted. Adjustment number 2. I have written trading account, profit is given 24,700. But adjustment 3 is to be recorded. So revised trading account for Harsha and Chaya for the year ending on 31/3/17. This is the full heading which you have to write. Now this is balance brought down I have written, that is we have brought down from trading account, credit side is given, so it is profit 24,700. Sales book is undercasted, means sales book is written less. Sales book is undercast means what? You have written less. So sales account has which balance? Credit. So on credit side, this much is written less or suppose not written. So we have to write. Sales book is undercasted. So we will record this entry as it is not recorded. So children, here only one effect we will give, that sales book is undercasted. So you put a star here. And then children you will do the total 25 and that will be your gross profit. Because of one entry which you have forgotten, you have to rectify the gross profit. So our correct gross profit will be 25,000. This 25,000 we will carry in profit and loss account credit side, which you know is same like 11th. Now the remaining adjustment I will read. First one, provide 5% on capital and 6% on drawings. Now children, as we have seen the question is capital account and current account. So your capital is maintained by fixed method. So in balance sheet direct you will write, I will draw balance sheet as I don't have place. Balance sheet we will write direct here capital, partners capital. Okay, partners on capital account. We will write Harsha and Chaya direct. Okay, because it is fixed capital method. So it is 20,000 and 30,000. Total you will write outside. Okay. So this is fixed capital method. So capital is fixed. So direct we have to write in the balance sheet. We don't have to write in balance brought down. Because in balance brought down we are drawing current account. This is the method of capital by fixed capital method. So capital is fixed. So we will write direct in the balance sheet capital liability side. And we will write current account, partners current account, we will put balance brought down. If it is debit, then on the debit side. If it is credit, then on credit side. So wherever the balance is brought down, we will write. Okay. 5% on capital. Now children, 5% on capital means how much it will be fixed capital? 5%, 10% is 2,000 and 5% will be 1,000. But children, if you look on the debit side, interest on capital of Harsha is given 700. I'll write with the red pen here, too much working is there. So balance sheet I will draw afterwards children, so it will be clear to you. So your outstanding they have given 5% interest on capital will be interest 6% on 5% on capital. 5% on capital. How much is the capital? 20,000. 20,000, 5% is how much? 1,000. Okay. But from 1000 on the debit side, interest on capital of Harsha is given 700. Given interest on capital is on the debit side is given 700. But how much is the interest we have to pay? 1000. From 1700 we have paid. So baki ka will be outstanding 300. So it will become 1000. Outstanding is 300. In the same way for the next one, Chaya. Chaya's 5% will be, Chaya's 5% is how much? 10% is 3000. So 5% will be 1500. From 1500, 1000 is paid. 1000 paid. Okay. So 500 outstanding. Then you will get 1500. This way. So here this sum is important. It is asked in board exam because your outstanding is given more. So children, 700 which it is given in the trial balance, and this 300 is outstanding. So her account will be 1700. In the same way, Chaya 1000 given, 500 outstanding. So total 5% is 1500. Okay. Now this entry in P&L appropriation account, where you have to write in current account credit side. While writing in current account credit side, first you have to bring balance brought down on 1/4/16. I have not put the date column. You have to put in exam date column. It is posting. So you know the format of the ledger. Date, particulars, LF and amount. Okay. So balance brought down will always be on 1/4/16 and the remaining entries will be at the end of the year, that is 31/3/17. Drawings date is given, so you have to write two different dates if the dates are given. If the date is not given, then 1/4 and interest on drawing is 31/3 at the end of the year. Okay, now interest on capital and interest on Chaya's current account. So first you bring down balance brought down. Harsha is debit, so I have written on the debit side 2 balance brought down, Harsha 6000. Now by balance brought down, Chaya is credit 4000. Now interest on capital is 300 and 500, which you have to write only outstanding. ये outstanding का ही दो effect होगा. Not of 700 and 1000. Not of 17 and 15. No. Only 3 and only 5 will be transferred in partner's current account on the credit side. All appropriation entry on the debit side are transferred on the credit side of current account, and all on the credit side will be transferred on the debit side, except this. This you don't have to consider because this already has entered 2 times. Okay, and we are going to find out the divisible profit. So chalo, partner's interest on capital is 300 and 500. Only outstanding, I have put with red pen, only outstanding 2 entry. Otherwise remaining amount may none. Okay, then interest on Chaya's current account. Chaya's current account is which? Credit. So credit Chaya current account appropriation, where you have to write debit. 400. Debit side. So again you will transfer on the credit side. Okay, in the same way Chaya's salary 5500. But here they have given that monthly salary of Chaya is how much? Monthly salary 500. So 500 is monthly. So 12 yearly, annually, how much it will become? 6000. Monthly salary we don't have to consider because final account we are preparing at the end of the year after 12 months. So you have to multiply by 12, and when you multiply by 12 you will get 500 multiplied by 12, 6000. But here children, if you see in the trial balance, they have given salary of Chaya 5500. In trial balance, they have given salary of Chaya 5,500 trial balance में दिया है, लेकिन we have worked out with 6,000, so 500 is outstanding. So this 500 outstanding on the debit side, here you will write on the credit side. This you will write on the credit side. Okay, simple sum as we have done. Okay, depreciation 10% on machinery, that you know, 10% on machinery is 1,300, and balance sheet you will write here machine and then minus depreciation and write outside. Then total of sales book, only one effect, only tick mark, because only one effect is here. Otherwise you will tell, miss, you told adjustment has two effect, but here it has only one effect because the sales book total is undercasted. Okay, then 1,700 is transferred to general reserve. 1,700 is transferred to general reserve. So general reserve, what is the definition? A part of profit which is kept aside. Okay, so before giving divisible profit, we have to keep 1,700 in the general reserve. And after that, whatever is remaining amount, that amount will be shared by Harsha and Chaya. So GR, I have put here star, one more star I will put it. Why? Because general reserve is written in appropriation because it is from the profit. So it has to be written from the partner's profit. So it is having the effect in the profit divisible profit. So now remaining 8,000 you will divide into 1, that is 4,000, 4,000. But general reserve is not the entry for any particular partner, Harsha or Chaya. So for that reason, this general reserve is not to be written in the appropriation. This general reserve is generally kept for the business. And for that reason, this general reserve is not to be kept in the partners. All entries we are transferring, but general reserve, your development funds, those type which is not for the particular partner, you don't have to transfer in current account. Okay, this you will write the second effect in the balance sheet, liability side, as we are writing. So this is very important, our general reserve. Okay, with this we complete the adjustment. Now see children, drawings on 110. 110 drawings, I have written Harsha. Chaya 11, I have written. So current account of Harsha, I have written. Debit है, debit side पे. Interest on capital हो गया. Machine, asset side 40 minus 10% 4 means outside you will write 36. Interest on loan 200. Now interest on loan 200. Now which is this interest on loan? That you have to see. Who has given loan? Harsha. Who has given loan? Harsha has given loan. Loan of Harsha. Okay, loan of Harsha from 110. So how much it will be? Harsha is the partner, and loan of partner means you have to pay how much? 6% compulsory. So loan of Harsha is Harsha's loan. So 6% interest. And when it is given, when Harsha's loan is given, Harsha's loan was given on 1/10/2016. And what was the amount of loan? 10,000. So 110 means 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. For 6 months interest we have to find out. So you will get here 6 upon 12 multiplied by 6 upon 100. So for 6 months and 6%. So what will be here? 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 300 is the interest on loan. Interest on loan is how much? 300. But given is how much? 200. interest on loan of Chaya, how much is given on the debit side? 200. So children, this is one exception entry which is partner's entry, but interest on loan is considered as financial expense. So we will write always interest on loan of the partner in the profit and loss account. So here I have written 6% interest. I have put a red mark to 6% interest on Chaya's loan. 200 is given, but we have calculated it is 300. So 100 is outstanding. So interest on Chaya's loan 100 is outstanding. On the liability side. Liability side you will write loan 10,000 plus 100 outstanding. Or you can write separate entry also. Now salary monthly 1000. So salary is monthly 1000. So how much is paid here? 1300. But monthly is 1000. So how much 12 months it will become? 12,000. But it is given 13,000. In your trial balance they have given 13,000. But monthly 1000 you have to pay. So what it means? 1000 extra you have paid. Paid in advance. You have paid extra, prepaid. So 13,000 minus 1,000. So for 12 months it will be 12,000. Okay. So please once again 13,000 is given in the trial balance. But they have said that monthly I am giving you 1,000 rupees. So yearly it will be 12,000. So 13,000 minus 1,000 you will get 12,000. And again second entry of this two will be where? Insurance 2,000 minus 3,000. Where you will write this? Prepaid on the asset side. Okay, prepaid the insurance premium and prepaid salary. Now debtors 15, that we will write in the balance sheet. Receivable rent means outstanding rent. Outstanding rent means outstanding income. Outstanding income means where we will write on the asset side. Debit balance means asset side. Okay, bad debts, only one entry is given. So bad debts only one, 1300 in trial balance. New bad debts is a nothing they have given. So simple bad debts is a loss. So it will be written on the debit side of profit and loss account. Stock on 31,317 means it is closing stock. Closing stock on the asset side. Insurance premium, out of which 1200 is for the year ending. Okay, year ending, this we have done in 11. But insurance premium, again I will show you. Insurance premium always it will be prepaid. Mostly we have insurance premium prepaid. So see, 1200 is paid for the year ending on 36/70. And when our year is ending on 31/3/70. So how many months is prepaid? 4, 5, 6. 3 months prepaid. 3 months prepaid. So 1200 multiplied by 3 upon 12. So 12 you will cancel. So 300 is prepaid. 300 will be prepaid. Here 300. Profit and loss. 2000 minus 300. Okay. So 2000 minus 300 prepaid. I have worked there how to be minus 300. Okay. And when you will write on the asset side. So this is all about the debit balance. Now see on the credit side, capital account. Capital is fixed because current account is given. So capital fixed we will write on the capital liability side. Chaya's credit balance I have written by balance brought down in Chaya column 4,000. Interest on drawing 100 or 50 diya hua hai. And what is the drawings? And the date is given. So let us work out. One person has withdrawn drawings on 110. Drawings. How much? Drawings is 5,000. how much you have drawings? 5,000. Please check what is the amount of drawings you have withdrawn. On the debit side, Harsha hai 5,000. Harsha is 5,000. And Chaya is 10,000. Okay, Harsha is 5,000 on 110. Okay, and Chaya is 10,000 on 11. So 1117. So इधर कितना आएगा? For 3 months. And here outstanding for 3 months. And here outstanding for 6 months. Okay. And what is the percentage of drawings we have to withdraw? 6%. So we will find out 5,000. 6%, 6 upon 100, multiply by 6 upon 12. Multiply by 6 upon 12 for 6 months, because drawings you have made on 110. So you have to write the date 110, 2 drawings. This one has been drawn on 1117. So 2 drawings alag-alag likhna padega, because drawings is made on different dates. If dates are not given, then we don't have any problem. We don't have to write date. We will write only 2 drawings and in both the column together. But because the drawings are made on different dates, we have to write the different dates, different entries. Okay, interest you can write in one, because interest we are giving at the end of the year. Okay, so how much will be here? Here you will get 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 5 threes are 15, 150. And here how much? 10,000 multiply by 6 upon 100 multiply by 3 upon 12. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 5 threes are 50. Here also 150. Here also 150. Now interest on drawings paid is how much? Harsha is 100. So 100 is paid. So 150 may say 50 is outstanding. This outstanding has 2 effects. One here, this is on the credit side, the debit side, 50. This is on the credit side. So we will write interest on drawing, where I have written interest on drawing, outstanding. Okay, 50 and 40. Here also 100. Okay, so this is on the debit side, so I will write 50 and 100 here. Following only outstanding entries we are giving 2 times. Interest on drawing we write on the debit side of current account, because it is fixed capital method. If it is simple method, then on capital side. Debit side drawings and interest on drawings. Drawings we don't have 2 entries, because it is in the trial balance. Interest on drawing 2 effect, but here outstanding is given, so only outstanding amount we have to write 50 and 100. Then next children, loan liability, rent, it is given on the credit side, so it will be income. Profit and loss credit side, rent. Okay, then creditors, liability side, trading account, we have already written profit, because it is given on the credit side. अगर डेबिट साइड होता तो लॉस होता. Only you have to remember one. Credit side means it is profit. Bank balance, asset side, interest on current account we have written, and suspense account, that is 300. Now suspense account children, which is given to you 300, that we have rectified. Suspense account, you will tick mark there. Suspense account which is given 300. This 300 difference amount क्यों आया होगा? Because sales book is undercosted by 300. And this 300 we have rectified here. So our suspense account which was less is rectified here. So suspense account we will not record. This sum is important because of 3 reasons. Undercast only one entry and suspense account is also given, which is for this only. When we write suspense account, children, when there is a difference in the trial balance, and the trial balance difference was only because of this 300 less. So we don't have to enter the suspense account because we have rectified the error. Okay, only one effect. And why other thing it is important? Because outstanding is given. And all these outstanding has two effects in the current account on the opposite side. Okay, so for that reason this is important. Okay, so this is gross profit. If you do total, this will be your net profit, which you will write here in appropriation account on the credit side. Then you will do the total including GR. GR is not to be transferred in current account because GR is general. It is not for particular partner. It is for the firm, a company. It is not for the partners. It is kept aside. It is not to be given for divisible profit. Profit का अलग एक part रखा है, and so it is not to be here recorded. Then you will do the total of capital side. Okay, I'll do. And when you do the total of capital side, you will come to know that current account, current account, this side is total is more. This is 11,550 and this is 10,100. And this side is less, children, only 4,300. So this 7,250 and 700, which is the difference while doing the total. First time we got this. So when this side you get, we have to remember only this side. When you get carried forward this side, we write on the capital liability side. Lekin, here you got. So you have to write on the asset side. And asset side what you will write? Current account balance of Harsha and Chaya. This. I have written balance sheet asset side. Okay. So this is question number 13, which is important because of outstanding entries. Now I will draw balance sheet. Balance sheet is simple. You can draw on your own, but I will work out. Okay.